Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine and in today's video we are going to talk about the protection feature on Microsoft Excel. So basically what exactly is the protection feature on Excel? Well, it's pretty simple. It's a way for you to lock a page or to lock a workbook. So this will allow you, if you share your document to have all the pages locked and just leave some cells unlocked, all right? Or completely the whole page locked. You can do the same thing with the workbook. So how exactly this works? So first of all, you're gonna go on the review tab, and here you'll have the protect your sheet or protect your workbook element. So if I want to protect my sheet, what exactly does this mean? This simply means that the person that will have access to my Excel file won't be able to use the sheet that is right here. So let's say, for example, I decide to protect it. You click on the protect button, then you have to enter a password. So let's say it's 123. You'll have to re-enter it. So 123. Now my sheet is protected. So if I try to write something, this message will appear. So this cell or chart you're trying to change is a protected sheet. So no matter where I decide to write, well, here it's writing because I have allowed the edit range. But we're gonna talk about it a little bit later. So no matter where I'm writing, it's all protected, all right? So let's unprotect the sheet. Here we go. So now, why exactly was I able to write here? It's pretty simple. It's because when I allow the edit range, as you can see here, I allowed those cells, so I9 and J9 to be edited. So if I delete it, for example, so there is nothing that's now allowed. So if I reprotect the sheet, so let's do it, you'll see that nothing will work. So if I decide to write here, so it's not working anymore, all right? So I'm just gonna unprotect the sheet. Now, as I said, if I want to protect the whole sheet, but I want the person to be able to write in certain cells, I have to allow the edit on those cells. To be able to do so, I just have to click on allow edit range. So here we go. And here I'll have to select some cells. So let's say my range number 1 is the cells that I have selected here. Now I can just click on OK. And I can just click on OK here. Just to verify, we click on it. As you can see, the range 1 exists. Now, if I protect my sheet, so I'm entering again 123, 123. As you can see, I'm able to write here, but I'm not able to write anywhere else. So our sheet is protected. So you can do this not only for, you can do this for more than one sheet. It's also good if you have, for example, a form that you send to people to fill. So this way they'll be able to fill just certain parts of the form, all right? Now, if we want to protect the whole workbook. So what exactly is the workbook protection? This will protect the structure of the workbook. In other words, the person won't be able to add new pages. So even if my page here is protected, I'm still able to add new pages, as you can see, and I'm able to write on those pages right here. So to be able to not allow this, I have to protect my workbook. So to be able to do this, I'll just have to click here on the protect workbook. So we'll enter a password. Once again, we're gonna re-enter the password, which is 123. And now what's gonna happen is that I won't be able to add new pages to my workbook. So if I click here, I'm not able to add new pages. And this page right here is protected. So the only place where I'm able to write my answer will be right here. So as you can see, I'm just able to write there, all right? So this is how you protect a workbook on Microsoft Excel, a sheet as well, and allows some cells to be edited. So this is how the protection feature works on Excel. So to summarize, what we saw today is the protection of our Excel workbook as well as Excel sheets. And also we saw how you can allow the edit of some cells. So as I said, you can use it if you have forms to give to people to fill. It's a really good way to do it. So once again, if you like this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.